Since the beginning of the summer term, we have learnt a lot about ourselves and others through our theme, Who Am I?
We have learned how to be healthy and confident individuals.
By improving our understanding on how to look after the world and about people of different cultures, beliefs and needs, we know what ethically informed citizens are.
And we have thought about who we would like to be in the future by looking at different jobs.
But now we're moving on to learning about being enterprising and creative contributors.
We have already begun to prepare a whole school Who Am I dance.
But there will be more opportunities to take part in creative activities like dance, drama, art and music.
We will work in a team to raise money and solve problems through different enterprises.
You can join us at home by trying to complete the family activities.
And remember to post your photos on Twitter.